Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman with Trading Advantage with your morning market stir for Wednesday, October 30th. Well, the hits keep on coming, in a good way for stocks anyways. We had another surge yesterday, up 0.5% in the E-mini S&P, 1767.5, up 8.5, new all-time high, 1768.75, with a low support to keep an eye on at 1754.5 for the day yesterday. The Dow finally surged. The Dow was up 98 points at 15,616, finally making new closing highs, taking out the September highs when it's really been lagging behind. It did lead the day up 0.7%. The Nasdaq was the laggard. We had a reversal in Apple. Apple made new highs since January and then actually closed lower, so that dragged tech shares down. Nasdaq closed up 0.75 of a point at 33.84. The dollar index had a bit of a bounce, up 36, 79.67, still between 79 and 80. The euro currency was off 58, 137.49, on a little bit of a pullback there. Bonds were up one tick, 135.08, going nowhere in the treasuries. And crude oil down 50 cents at 98.20. The high of the session in crude was 98.60, the low was 97.70. So after the bounce last week, when it went below 96 and then reversed itself, we've had a bit of a pullback here yesterday after that bounce. So we'll have to see where it moves from here. 100 on the upside, 96 on the downside. And looking at gold, gold was up a bunch the week before. Yesterday it was down $6 at 13.46. Made some new relative highs since those October extreme lows at 13.60 though. So that's a positive sign, even though there was some profit taking. So after another record day in stocks, where did the market stand on this Wednesday morning to start a new trading day? Well, right now we're positive once again. We're making another move. We're up 4 and some change here in the E-mini S&P at 1772, up 0.3%. Looking at the E-mini S&P, we talked about this, that downward move that we saw, that 87-point move, and then that breakout above 1730 targets a upside move here technically above 1800 still. So we still have some ways to go from a technical standpoint, even though we've already marched a long ways. Dow futures up 50, 15,666. So it looks like we're going to push and take out those all-time highs in the Dow. So we're right there right now as we stand. And the Nasdaq reversed itself here, 3397.5 up 13.5. 3400 is a 13-year high. So we're right there as well. So continue to be strong, strong, strong in the stocks. Currency's quiet, down 779.60 in the dollar. We've got the euro 137.60 up 11. 138.34 was a 2-year high that we've made here in the last couple sessions to keep an eye on as resistance in the cap on the euro currency. Bonds up 7, 135.15. Crude oil down 65, 97.75 as we stand right now. And lastly, gold back to 13.50, up $5. So holding strong here after the surge that we've seen recently. So to wrap up the current action with 2 hours to go before the cash stock market open, we're positive once again, up 0.3% in the stock index at 1772 in the E-mini S&P and up 50 points in the Dow futures. I will see you early Thursday morning for your morning market stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman from Trading Advantage here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.